All right, Lou. So let's start. No, just introduce me, and then I'll take over the.
Yes po, good evening po. Thank you for coming to this meeting. Ah, Ako po si Luis Saberola. Ako po ay taga Quezon Province and then newly member din ho ako ng Yoli. So I had been introduced to Yoli noong 2016 pero ngayon lang 2025 ako nagkaroon ng chance na maka-join sa Yoli through Kuya Chris Medina. So ngayon, i-introduce ko ang ating speaker na si Sir Chris Medina. So si Sir Chris ay dating nurse na nagtrabaho sa US, so isa siyang immigrant. Ay ngayon isa na siyang full-time entrepreneur at meron na siyang total na 20 years experience sa network marketing. At sa pamamagitan ng Yoli noong 2012 ay nagawa niyang makapag-retired sa kanyang trabaho bilang nurse. And then siya ay founder din ng ng Centramed Medical Company na nag-i-import at nagdi-distribute ng medical supplies and equipments dito sa Pilipinas. And then siya ay part ng Million Dollar Earner Club sa Yoli. So grabe ano. So and then uh, siya ngayon ay humahawak ng rank na Double Blue Diamond Executive sa Yoli at part siya ng Yoli Council. So ibig sabihin katulad nung realization ko kung makikinig tayo kay Sir Chris at i-entertain natin sa isip natin yung kanyang mga ituturo at mga mga nuggets of wisdom. So napakalaki din ng potensyal na within few years ay maabot din natin yung taas ng tagumpay na nakuha niya dito sa Yoli. So wag na nating patagalin ano. So welcome natin si Sir Chris Medina, ang ating presenter tonight. Thank you.
Thank you, Louie, for that introduction. So magandang gabi sa inyo dyan, Pilipinas. So nandito ako ngayon sa Florida, kaya maaga dito sa alas 8 pa ng umaga dito. So we have 12 hours difference. But anyway, guys, welcome, welcome. Thank you, Toto, for inviting yung mga guests mo and whatnot, and also Louie. And we have our isang guest natin dito na our newest diamond, si Joe Marie Juarez from Chicago. So anyway, guys, just like what Louis said, I'm Chris Medina. So I've been full-time sa professional network marketing for 13 years in this company. Na pag-uusapan natin yung Yoli. So our growth right now, we're looking into growing our Philippine markets. So we're on the pre-launch ngayon. So naghahanap kami ng mga key leaders to help us grow our market there. So I'll talk about itong 8% Club Pioneering pre-launch natin as we go to the presentation. Okay, so now, in business, guys, let me tell you sa experience ko sa 20 years, even in my traditional business, ang unang-unang tinitignan ko talaga yung the right vehicle. 'Di ba? Kasi yung pinaka-common analogy na I use this one is like picking a car. Kasi sa business din, ganun din ang gagawin mo. Titignan mo yung proper company na papasukan mo. Kasi sometimes, marami mga deception na maganda yung sasakyan sa labas. Pag binuksan mo yung hood, yung makina, bulok, and a lot of issues. So, ang unang-una mo talagang titignan yung company kasi it doesn't matter how good you are, if you're on the wrong vehicle, hindi ka rin tatakbo ng maayos. Kasi I've been part sa profession na to, yung mga hype-hype minsan na, launching tong company, bago lang to. I've been there. Yung sinasabi nila na ground floor opportunity, kayo yung pioneer ground floor. I've been to the ground floor, yung pala may basement. After 6 months, sarado yung kumpanya. So I've been part of those two companies na bago. So ngayon natuto na ako. So one of the things na natutunan ko sa mga mentor ko is really picking the right company. Number one yan. Kasi everything will follow after that. So the reason why I'm highlighting that one, guys, kasi kumbaga yung pillars o yung haligi ng negosyo, ito yung mga titignan natin. Especially if you're brand new, you're trying to look into ano bang potential ng company na yan. Are they the right company that I'm trying to align with or join? Ang isa yung compensation plan kasi nasa business naman tayo. Of course, no, you need to have some good compensation plan. Yung mga traditional na network marketing, guys, binago namin yon. So we combine both yung traditional old network marketing sa itong bago ng mga affiliate. Kaya kahit na hindi ka mag-build ng network mo, you have a way to make money. Just getting customers. No, you can do both online saka offline, or you can combine. And then the timing, that's one of the thing na ano natin yung timing. Ano bang timing ng Yoli ngayon, Chris? The cool thing I can tell you guys, na 16 years na yung Yoli. Hindi siya bago, which is very advantageous sa atin kasi may foundation na yung company. Mahirap pumasok ng mga bagong company kasi meron kang, at least 5 years. Pag makasurvive ka, maswerte ka. Majority of the company, they will tawag ito, fail in the first 5 years. Na-survive na namin yon, 16 years na kami. Okay, the timing is right, lalo na ngayon, nagpi-pre-launch kami dito sa bagong project namin. You will be part of the pioneers if you decide to join us. Another pillars na titignan mo yung system, kasi yung system ang magduduplicate sa business natin, hindi tayo. You need to have an amazing system, guys, na pwede mong i-scale yung business mo, na pwede mong mag-duplicate. If you don't have the system na pwede mo i-plug and play yung tao, mahihirapan ka sa dito. And then we'll talk about that. Then of course yung product, kasi kahit na anong laki ng compensation mo, kung yung product mo naman, pare-pareho lang yan, mito-mito. So we have an amazing product, guys. We have several products na sa Yoli, and just like when I joined, nag-umpisa kami sa weight loss, but this new niche product na i-introduce namin sa inyo, guys, maganda siya. Kaya very confident kami, and even we offer a money back guarantee. All right, and then the last pillars, this is the last and the first one, yung leadership and management. Sino ba yung mga owner? Sino ba yung mga may-ari? Okay, kung ako yung tatanungin ninyo, ano ba yung priority mo dito, Chris? Of course, yung culture, no? Yun yung nag-hold sa lahat ng mga pillars. Priority ko yung leadership and management, the ownership. Kasi I've been through a lot of challenges na minsan itong mga may-ari, doesn't matter gaano kaganda yung product mo, minsan babaguhin nila, yung compensation mo lang, babaguhin mo. So wala ka rin control. Kasi sila yung pinakahawak niyan eh. So kung walang integrity, walang credibility yung mga may-ari, wala ring silbi kasi nagpapagod tayo, naghihirap tayo, eventually they start changing it. Okay? So yun ang priority ko, guys. Sino yung mga may-ari? Introducing to you these 4 amazing individuals na kilala ko na. We've been transforming going 16 years ngayon, this year. So Robbie Fender is our CEO. Siya yung nag-found sa Yoli with his friends like si Kimi, yung asawa niya, and then si Cory Seaton and Darren. So the reason why I'm liking that one, guys, because these individuals have amazing heart. Maganda na itong trabaho nila. They have multiple businesses in real estate, very successful na sila dyan. Saka itong mga bagong investment like AI and whatnot, they're so good. But they love network marketing. They've been involved with our profession in network marketing for 30 years. The thing I like about them, kasi marami na akong na-meet ng mga corporate people, majority of those corporate people, guys, I could say 95% of them, they haven't done network marketing on the field. Puro lang sila corporate. So iba yung experience nitong mga Yoli founders natin kasi mga distributors sila tulad natin. They know how hard it is. So yung ano nila, yung sympathy nila and empathy nila being a distributor is there. Kaya yung Yoli was created for distributor by distributor. And again, wow, we founded ourselves in 2009. So I could say, pag nag-survive ka ng 16 years, I think you have a good company. Financially well, we don't have debt. They are a private company. We don't have any shareholders. So yung decision making nanggagaling sa kanila and whatnot. And I'm part of the council, guys, ng company. Meaning, pag nag-meeting itong mga may-ari, kasama ako dun sa meeting, 4 kami ng mga top leader, to create a check and balance sa mga decision making. Kasi minsan, pag nag-decision yung mga may-ari, hindi kayo kasama, wala, natamaan tayo. So that's the cool thing. We have a good collaboration of decision and suggestion. Kaya, we are flourishing right now. Nag-start lang kami about a year and a half yung council. So now, dahil sa relationship ko sa mga may-ari na to, guys, si Robbie and Kimi, naging kumari-kumpare ko yan. Inaanak nila yung bunsong anak ko na si Reyna. If you can see in this picture, yung binyag namin 11 years ago. But again, even though I have a good relationship with these people, I never abuse my relationship sa kanila. The reason why I'm showing it to you guys, kasi I'm so confident to tell you na if you decide to join us, you're gonna have a good company with a good heart. Dinala ko na sila sa Pilipinas, when binuksan namin yung Pilipinas and whatnot, natutulog ako sa mga bahay nila. Para ko tong kapatid, kapamilya ko to. But again, we're excited to expand our network, guys, and business sa Pilipinas. So I would like to welcome you guys. I would like to thank you for taking your time sa mga busy schedule niyo. So doon pa lang, nagpapasalamat na ako ng marami sa inyo. And I hope na dito sa presentation ko, you can see the bigger picture of what we're doing. And then if you decide to lock arms with us, I'm looking forward na I can work with you. All right, so now, let's talk about the timing. Yung company natin, just like I said, no, we started in 2009. Makikita nyo yung old logo namin, no, luma pa yun. And then we evolved months and years after years. And just last year, we were able to transform 700,000 lives. And we know that we can transform ngayong taon na to million lives kasi nga sa bagong ginagawa namin. So I'm not saying, guys, na yung company na Yoli is perfect. No, it's not. I'll be honest with you. No? We have challenges also na encounter namin, but it doesn't matter. Sa business, may mga ganun eh. But you overcome yung challenges pag nagtutulungan tayo. Kasi kapamilya kami dito eh, trabaho namin. So ngayon, guys, we're excited to present to you yung opportunity sa inyo. Ngayon, pag-usapan natin ngayon, okay? Okay, Chris. Kasi pagod na tayo sa mga hype. Ang daming mga hype sa network marketing na. So, I just wanna give you truth ngayong gabi na to. Pag-uusapan natin yung mga totoo lang, based on what. So, ngayon, ang unang tanong natin dito, kasi mga negosyo naman pinag-uusapan natin dito. Okay, number 1. Ano ba yung market na gusto nating i-penetrate, Kiss? Kasi matagal na yung networking eh. Marami ng kumpanya dyan, yung mga product, na pare-pareho na yung pampapayat, pampaputi, glutathione, so on and so forth. So ano ba yung pinag-uusapan natin sa Yoli? Meron ba tayo diyang market na ipipenetrate natin? Okay, yes, we have that. And then sasagutin natin yan. Ang pangalawang tanong natin ngayon, meron bang niche yung market na yan? Baka mito-mito na naman yan, pare-pareho lang yan. Puro barley, ganyan. Ano pa ba yung mga uso ngayon? GLP-1, o yung mga oil, ano yan, mga stem cell ba yan? No, we're not talking about that one, guys. No, there are good companies and good product. Okay? So, the next question natin, guys, I will introduce to you, kung hindi nyo pa nabasa tong libro na Purple Cow. Okay, this is one of the book, guys, that will open your mind. Ang sabi niya dito sa book, itong si Seth Godin, yan, sinabi niya dito, transform your business by being remarkable. Okay? Ngayon, tatanungin ko kayo, nakakita na ba kayo ng purple na kalabaw o baka? Di ba wala pa? So that's the analogy niya, guys. If you identify yung mga baka at may nakita kang purple, ano bang tawag yung purple sa Pilipino o sa Tagalog? But anyway, it attract your attention, di ba? Kasi yung common na mga baka, makikita mo puti, itim, brown. Pag nakakita ka ng purple, ano yan? Bago yan ah. Okay? So yun pag-uusapan natin ngayon, guys. Ang Purple Cow natin ngayon, this is the big market na ipipenetrate natin. Yan, question ngayon, Chris, how big ba yung market na sinasabi mo? Ano yung Purple Cow ninyo ngayon sa network marketing? Introducing to you guys the next big market, yung test-based nutrition. Yung background ko, I'm a nurse. Okay, alam ko yung medical profession, guys. I've been to this profession for almost 21 years. I never been involved to a nutrition test base. Okay? Na yung dugo mo, makikita kung anong kulang sa dugo mo, at if you can offer that kind of solution through your blood, that's good, right? Kasi may blood works, guys. Alam natin yan. Pag pumupunta tayo sa mga doktor, ang unang-unang tinitest nila, kukunan ka ng dugo. Kasi they don't do anything, diagnosis or recommendation of anything, pag hindi nila makita yung dugo mo. Imagine that if you can transition down sa nutrition. Malalaman mo ano yung kulang ng katawan mo, and then you can offer them. Kasi may testing eh. This is the market that I'm trying to tell you, guys. Na we are the first pioneering about this test market. Probably may one company ba yung determining factor natin dito, guys. And I know soon, a lot of company will go into this kind of market. But again, being the pioneer, being the first one to get the bigger share, mas maganda. Kaya ito yung opportunity na pinipresent ko. And one of the problem ngayon, guys, is about heart disease. Okay? Can you imagine kung malalaman mo, ano ba yung nagkukos ng heart disease, Chris? Ano ba yung deficiency sa dugo natin? Kung maibigay natin yung sa tao, mami-minimize natin yung problema natin. So dito sa America, guys, our death is 1,000 plus people every day. Imagine niyo yan. I just want you to pause on your mind. Every day, we're losing 1,000 plus people sa United States. Number one killer is yung silent killer dito, yung tinatawag na heart disease o heart attack. Isang tao namamatay dito every 82 seconds dahil sa laki ng population namin. Sa Pilipinas, sa inyo guys, tinignan ko, ginugol ko, almost 900,000 people died of heart disease no, annually. Kasi maliit yung population nyo kumpara sa Amerika. So this is the kind of potential market that we're gonna have, guys. And if you can have a solution, I'm not saying it's a cure, hindi ko sinasabing cure siya, but the prevention side is good. Okay? And then one of the issue also na tinatackle natin with this nutrient, it really helps with your brain. We're gonna talk about this omega-3 fatty acids. Kasi malaking market to, guys, yung brain health. Again, another, critical issue dito sa US that we have new cases, 500,000 to 700,000 new cases dito sa Amerika. Kahit na sa Pilipinas, guys, alam natin yan. Yung mga, ang tawag niya, ulianin, the Alzheimer's Association dito, they estimate sa Amerika, one person is diagnosed every 65 seconds. Imagine that. And it's weird, guys. Ang ano kasi, ang Alzheimer's, it's a form of dementia. Hindi lang yung nakakalimot ka. Alam nyo ba ang isang problema ng Alzheimer's? Pag medyo chronic ka na, nandun ka sa high level, they forget to eat. They forget even to breathe. Namamatay na lang sila, guys. Kumbaga, kung computer ka, wala ka ng programming, shutdown na yung program mo. Pero ganyan, it's very sad disease. Kung ako pamimiliin, I rather have a heart attack kaysa Alzheimer's, guys. Kasi being a nurse, nakita ko na to, parang zombie na yung tao, nakatayon ganyan. Di na nila alam kumain, mag-alagaan yung sarili nila. Hindi lang yung nakakalimot, ha. Yung nakakalimot, medyo ano na yun. Yung the worst thing is, hindi mo maalagaan yung sarili mo. Pati yung paghinga mo. Kasi wala ka ng control dun eh. Hindi mo ginaalam nyo. So this is a big market, guys. And that's the reason why we're excited to introduce itong vital test natin. Testing is a home testing, na gagawin natin para makita nyo natin deficiency. We're gonna talk about this nutrient and we have a solution to offer you to increase these nutrients. So ngayon, na-met ko to si Dr. William Harris. Sila yung guys, the inventor ng test kit, Omega Testing. They are the world leading company and he is the founder of Omega Quant. So I met him a month ago sa Chicago. Okay, so nagpartner kami sa Omega Quant. Okay, so let me give you a little background ng Omega Quant. The Omega Quant, guys, is an independent certified laboratory. Nag-specialize sila sa fatty acid analysis and ang headquarters nila is based sa Sioux Falls, South Dakota dito sa Amerika. Meron din sila mga partners sa Europa at Australia. And actually, sila yung leading researcher ng omega-3 na pag-uusapan natin ngayon. Yung isang partner niya na nag-develop ng omega testing is si Dr. Clevens von Schacke. Dr. Schacke is a former member ng American Heart Association in nutrition. So ang maganda dito, guys, hindi pipitsugin tong partnership namin sa Omega. Okay, if you're on the medical field, pag ginugol mo to, pag nag-YouTube ka or nag-chat GPT ka, they have over 300 peer-reviewed publication of omegas. Okay, kasi marami mga product din dyan, puro hype lang. But dito may mga clinical studies, human clinical studies, and Omega Quant is the leading peer company na gumagawa ng research. So ginagamit yung Omega Quant ng mga malalaking company. Actually, itong Omega Index blood test, guys, na develop ng na Omega Quant has been used by millions of people. First time nila nakipag-partner sa network marketing company which is Yoli at ginagawa nilang gold standard ngayon to in measuring your omega-3. So ito yung mga maliliit na company na involved ang Omega Quant. They work with Harvard University, mga research, mga collaboration nila, Columbia University, maliliit to ng mga kumpanya. AstraZeneca, even yung mga pharmaceuticals or itong government na health institute natin, National Institute of Health. Sila din yung tumulong sa guys, may mga part contract sila sa Olympic national team kasi kailangan nila mga blood testing, Duke University, even with the US Army kasi very strict sila sa screening ng mga health through blood testing ng mga tao na to, and even with some famous sports big team, guys, kilala na natin to mga Warriors, Golden State, Miami Heat, football. So the reason why I'm sharing it to you guys, to give you an highlight na hindi pipitsugin yung partnership namin sa Omega Quant. They're the world leading laboratory ngayon about this one. Kaya maraming mga mga big company, they trusted them, they work with them. Okay? So now, I will play this video instead of me nagsasalita dito. I want you to pay attention on this video, guys, because it will explain ano yung opportunity ninyo dito. Okay? Let me just play this video.
Your heart and your brain, your two most vital organs. The brain coordinates every life process, from digestion to your immune system to your memory and even your mood today. The heart is a wonder of nature, flowing life, giving blood to every cell in your body, every second of every day. While they support life in two different ways, they have one thing in common. They both require a constant supply of one essential nutrient. Scientists have discovered a powerful correlation. Around the world, there are cultures who consume plentiful amounts of this nutrient. They have a remarkable tendency to live healthy, vibrant lives well into their 90s. Unfortunately, in other parts of the world, such as the United States, 95% of people are woefully deficient in this essential nutrient, and it shows. 6 out of 10 adults in the United States battle chronic disease. Heart disease is the #1 killer in the United States, and the brain isn't far behind, with dementia rates increasing at an alarming rate. By now, you are wondering, what is this nutrient? Am I getting enough?
Omega-3 fatty acids have been one of the most studied molecules in medicine, probably the 5th or 6th most commonly studied molecule in the whole history of medicine. Omega-3 fatty acids are a family of fats and oils that are part of our diet, typically put into the membrane of the cell, the outer coating. When they become part of a cell membrane, they help that cell membrane operate most efficiently, and that has a lot of implications for other systems, that inflammation, blood pressure, cholesterol levels, things like that, that are all downstream. One of the most remarkable things we've discovered in our research is that the omega-3 level is a stronger predictor of risk for bad heart outcomes, shorter life, earlier death, than even a risk factor like cholesterol. The brain is one of the richest organs in omega-3 fatty acids in the whole body. Our laboratory has done a lot of work recently on omega-3 and dementia, particularly Alzheimer's disease. And we found that people who have the highest omega-3 levels, and we've looked at this in several populations, have the lowest risk for developing Alzheimer's disease or overall dementia over time. And one of the most common questions we get is, what's the best way to test your omega-3 level in your body? We developed a test we call the omega-3 index, and the omega-3 index is simply the amount of EPA and DHA in red blood cell membranes, which are circulating, of course, in the blood. And we analyze the red blood cells because they reflect the composition of other cells in the body. We've set some targets based on our research. An optimal level of omega-3 in the red cell, an omega-3 index of 8% or higher, is a great place to hit. It's uncommon. Maybe only 3 to 5% of Americans at this point have an omega-3 index at 8% or higher, which is a shame. There's a lot of room for improvement. On the other end, what's a really bad omega-3 index would be like under 4%. And then somewhere in the middle, 5 to 6%, which is where the average American is, somewhere in the 5% level, is pretty common. It's pretty easy to fix a low omega-3 index simply by eating more EPA and DHA, whether it's from fish or from supplements. Something in the neighborhood of 1,500 milligrams or 1,000 to 1,500 milligrams of EPA and DHA per day will take most people from a 5% up to about an 8%. But you really don't know if you're getting the right or the optimal amount unless you test it some way.
Now you can test, don't guess. Yoli's simple home test will tell you exactly what your omega-3 levels are and how to get where you need to be. Getting started is easy. Take the test to reveal your personal omega-3 index score. Experience our proven products and see the transformation yourself. Retest in 90 days and go from guessing to knowing. Backed by scientific research, we've formulated our omegas to provide you with the perfect ratios of these crucial nutrients, delivered in a proprietary bioavailable formula, perfectly prepared for your body to absorb and utilize, delivering unprecedented omega support. In just 90 days, you'll go from guessing to knowing where you stand with this nutrient. We guarantee that when you retest, you'll see your scores increase significantly, or your money back.
By far and away, the most important supplement that I recommend are omega-3s. Yoli's Vital Omegas are the first to feature a clinically validated blend of omega-3, 7, 9, and 11s in its most bioavailable triglyceride form. The innovative combination of long-chain polyunsaturated and monounsaturated fatty acids in the perfect balance work in synergy for the whole body benefits and even improves omega-3 conversion. Yoli sources their omega-3 sustainably from cold water seas, and they're thoroughly tested for heavy metals before delivering them to you. For these reasons, Yoli's Vital Omegas are the only omega supplement that I ever recommend to my patients.
Now that you've taken your first test, your next move is to start taking Yoli's Vital Omegas to begin improving your score.
I did the Omega test and my first score was 5.61. The goal is to have an index score of 8% or higher. My third test of the Omegas was 11.69 and it made me feel fabulous.
Initially, I had a score of 4.13%. And then on the 90th day, I tested again and I was at 8.5%.
The first test, I got a 6.61. After 90 days, I got 11%. And as a teacher, I felt like an honor student.
Our starter kit is a great first step. You'll receive one test kit for your follow-up test and a 4-month supply of Vital Omegas. You'll be able to optimize your score and retest in 90 to 120 days. Take control of your health for just $1.33 per day. Your second test kit is free. We're so certain your score will increase, or you'll get all your money back. No questions asked. Now, let's hear from Yoli co-founder Corey Citron with some exciting opportunities for you today.
Hi, I'm Corey Citron, co-founder of Yoli. At Yoli, our mission is to transform lives physically, emotionally, and financially. Over the past 15 years, we've transformed over 700,000 lives with our powerful products and generous business opportunity. We believe in rewarding those who join our mission and have a generous financial compensation plan for those who share this remarkable opportunity with others. As a brand partner, you'll have access to our easy-to-follow business building system, training, and tools to help you scale your home-based business to whatever heights you choose. You'll become part of a community of passionate, supportive entrepreneurs working together to make a huge impact. Whether you're looking to earn free product every month, build a residual stream of income, enjoy all expense-paid vacations, it's up to you. The more you share, the more you earn. Yoli's generous social selling program has already paid out millions and millions of dollars to people just like you. Best of all, you'll have the deep satisfaction of knowing that you're transforming lives physically, emotionally, and financially. We like to keep things simple at Yoli. At this point, you're ready to join as a customer or a brand partner, or maybe you have a few questions and want to see your omega-3 index score before getting started. We're excited for those of you ready to take the next step in your own wellness journey. Your next step is easy. Simply choose from one of our amazing kits and begin experiencing the health transformation you've always wanted. If you need any help choosing or ordering, simply ask the person who shared this video with you. If you're already thinking of a few people who would benefit from Yoli's wellness products or business opportunity, it just makes sense to join as a brand partner and begin sharing this opportunity with the people you love and care about the most. Getting started is easy. We offer a number of packs that are designed for someone just like you who's excited to share these products with others. You'll also want to have a supply of omega-3 index tests on hand to allow people to test right away. I'm excited to personally welcome you to our mission to transform millions of lives around the world. Simply tell the person who shared this video with you how you'd like to get started. Welcome to Yoli.
One last thing before we go. If you test 10 people within 30 days, we're going to give you another $300 in free Yoli products. It's never been easier or more exciting to get started building your Yoli enterprise than right now. Welcome to Yoli.
Right. So guys, kung nakita niyo yung video, nandun ako. And this picture guys, ito yung grupo ng mga nag-pilot test last year sa Yoli, you know. So kasama yung group ko dito kaya halos makikita niyo halos parang Pilipino yata lahat dito. So sometimes they say, "Oh, ano ba yung Chris ang Yoli? Filipino company yan." No, it's not. It's an American company. It so happened na ako yung pinakauna-unahang Pilipinong pumasok and was able to help the company hanggang nabuksan natin yung Pilipinas, Canada, ganun din. But anyway, in our studies, guys, nakita din namin yung market na totoo yung sinasabi nila na 95% yung deficiency. Kasi kami dito, average, nag-increase kami after 2 months nung tinake namin yung product 2 months. So, ginawa namin, guys, nag-test muna kami ng una. As you can see on this test study namin, yung first test namin lahat, majority of us, I can say 95%, bumagsak kami. Kasi dapat nasa 8% ka pataas para nasa safe zone ka, healthy zone ka. Okay? And then second test kami after 2 months namin of taking the Vital Omega product, nagsitaasan yung score namin na average na 3%. Can you imagine that? And here's the thing. Our blood doesn't lie. Kaya dito ako na-excite, nakita ko yung opportunity dito kasi may blood works ka eh. Now, ang pinakamaganda, pag hindi nag-work sa yung product, yung unang test mo at hindi umakyat yung dugo mo, yung omega index mo after taking the product in 90 days, no question asked, money back guarantee. Di ang ganda? As you can see, ito yung result ko. 6.99 ako. I was really surprised, guys, kasi kumakain ako ng isda 3 times a week and then nag-omega na ako. Mababa pa rin yung test ko. So meaning, hindi enough yung omega na tinitake ko or maybe yung omega hindi ganun ka high quality yung iniinom ko. So I cannot know it kung hindi ko tinetest yung sarili ko. Kaya ito yung magandang balik mo sa tao, guys. Irregardless kung kumakain siya ng isda o nag-omega siya, hindi niya alam kung nag-work sa sarili niya until magkaroon ka ng blood testing. Okay? Kasi yung blood test mo doesn't work. Look at that one. 2 months after, nag 9.61 ako. Meron akong test result. May proof ako ngayon. And then there's a lot of, mga over-the-counter na mga products, especially in America. Ang pinaka-common dito yung Kirkland na binibenta sa Costco, yung sa Walmart, yung Spring Valley. But kami lang yung full spectrum. Isa yun sa advantage natin. Majority na itong mga omega 3 lang. Kami lang yung may full spectrum, meaning meron tayong omega 7, omega 9, 9, 11 doon sa ating product at nilagyan namin ng vitamin D3. Tsaka ang taas ng content ng mga EPA and DHA mo kasi sa omega, guys, you need to pay attention sa EPA saka yung DHA kasi yun yung pinaka-effective ingredients yun sa fish oil eh. But I don't wanna go into the science ng EPA and DHA para hindi kayo maboard and whatnot. Tapos yung ginagamit namin na source, guys, hindi yung malalaking isda. I don't know kung maalala nyo yung dating omega noon, yung esqualene. Matagal na ang omega, guys. This is not new. Pero wala pang gumagawa ng testing. Yung esqualene dati, yung pumutok sa Pilipinas yan, galing yun sa mga shark. Pero ang problema noon, nagka-problema kasi sila kasi mostly pag malalaki yung isdang kinukunan mo ng fish oil, mataas yung metal content, yung contaminant. And plus, naging problema yun kasi yung mga environmentalist, ayaw nila na pinapatay yung mga shark, yung mga malalaking isda, yun ang problema. So ngayon sa Yoli, ang pinaka-main source natin, yung maliliit na isda, yung anchovies, sardines, mackerel, at well-screened yun, walang contaminants. So that's the amazing thing, yung reliable. Kaya sabi ko sa inyo, guys, not all omegas are created equal, which is true. So again, naging entrepreneur ako dito sa Yoli, but I've been an entrepreneur kasi I've been running a company, yung Centramed na medical on the traditional business side of it. So anyway, guys, tulad ng sabi ko, I'm a registered nurse. Ito yung pinaka-last na time na sinuot ko tong uniforme ko. Kung makikita niyo yung papel na yan, ito yung resignation letter ko. When I start doing well sa Yoli, I resigned from my position as a nurse, kami ng misis ko. For 13 years, I've been full-time with them. Okay? But again, ang una dyan, yung transformation, kasi yun ang isang bagay na napasukan ko sa Yoli. Yung nag-grow kami into 100 million dahil sa transformation kit. So ito yung naging result ng first wave ng Yoli, guys. I'm one of the beneficiary. Makita nyo yung result ko. Weight loss kami nag-umpisa. Timing ko noon sa weight loss, guys, ang ganda. This was 2011 namin ni-launch to eh. I made millions from this company cumulatively. Nag-grow kami dito. Kaya nga, na-feature ako doon sa Home Business Magazine dito sa Florida na nag-retire kami. Yung title ng magazine nila, The Pursuit of American Dreams. So they interview us. We were able to get a lot of perks from the company like itong mga luxury car, travel and whatnot. I've been one of the top earner ng company. So hindi ko to show sa inyo to brag about what I accomplished. Just to give you an idea guys, ano yung potential ninyo kung tatrabahuin natin. Ngayon, sasabihin ko sa inyo, I'll be honest with you, I cannot promise you anything kasi hindi ko alam yung tatrabahuin ninyo. I don't know kung magsiseryoso kayo o hindi. Ang kaya ko lang ipagmalaki guys, is yung sarili ko kasi alam ko paano ako magtrabaho. Ngayon, kung tulad ng sabi ni Louie, kung susundin niyo yung mga plano at ginagawa ko, then you have a potential to do it. Pero magtatrabaho tayo, bottom line. Okay? So I just want to make sure on that one. Hindi natin i-hype to. May trabaho tong kaakibat. And we're gonna give you all the tools and support necessary na para mag-succeed kayo kung gusto niyo yan. Alright? So now, yung excitement ko sa first wave, guys, is nothing compared sa second wave. Kasi na-prove ko na I made millions. What Yoli did before is nothing compared dito sa biggest wave. Kaya nga pinakita ko sa inyo yung market Ang laki ng market, guys. We are the first one penetrating this market. And I know soon, ibang company, kokopya na yan. Pero tayo mauuna ngayon. It's a test-based nutrition na meron tayong blood testing. You have to test, don't guess. Wala na tayong tawag yan. Ano bang Tagalog yung nag-guessing ka? So kasi may blood testing tayo. So ngayon, another proof sa inyo. Pag ginugol mo o tinype mo sa ChatGPT, sa Pilipinas, ano ba yung pinaka-importante na nutrition na kulang yung mga Pilipino na kailangan nilang inumin every day? Guys, yung tatlo, number 1, vitamin D. Number 2, omega-3. Yung may EPA, DHA. Number 3 sa inyo, number 3 is multivitamins, yung B-complex and zinc. Itong dalawa, guys, hakop na ng Yoli yung vitamin D at omega kasi kasama na yun dun sa ingredient ng vital omega balance natin Okay? And then meron din yung mga B-complex and zinc dun sa other products natin. So this is a good market, I'm telling you guys. Even here in the United States, ganun din. Ano yung 3 most important daily supplement nila? Ganun. Number 1 dito sa US, omega. Number 2, vitamin D3. Number 3 sa kanila, magnesium. So the market is there. Ang market na nagsasabi sa atin guys, nga ito yung kailangan nila. And then you can offer them with a testing and then a good money back guarantee pag hindi mag-improve. Come on. So, ngayon, I'll give you some science about it. Chris, may mga proof ba yung yung omega? Ito guys, John Hopkins. You can Google John Hopkins, one of the prestigious research institute tsaka hospital dito sa Amerika. In 2023, meron silang study guys na nakita nila dito pag maganda yung omega-3 mo, it lowers your triglycerides and reduce inflammation. Hindi ako nagulat nun kasi nag-workout ako 5 times, 6 times a week. Grabe yung sakit ng mga braso ko na hindi ko matanggal-tanggal. Minsan hindi na ako makabuhat. After 2 months guys, nawala yon. And I know dahil nga sa anti-inflammatory effect niya. So ngayon, nakita ko yung dugo ko, mababa and it increased. Another research na ginawa nila, you can go to pure.johnhopkins.edu. Makikita niyo yung lahat ng full explanation ng research nila. 2022, meron silang study na yung supplementation ng omega-3 lowers cardiovascular mortality. Binababa nila yung mga namamatay sa cardiac disease guys, according to them. At kinumplement ng ng Mayo Clinic. I work with Mayo Clinic for 15 years. Mayo Clinic guys, mga high-end prestigious research hospital to. Nagtrabaho ko sa kanila. May research silang sarili nila. Na pag maganda yung omega mo, it reduce your risk for heart problem. In fact, ito, 35% yung reduction ng risk mo na mamamatay ka. And this is one of the biggest study na ginawa ng Omega Quant with Dr. Harris back in 2017, yung atherosclerosis. Hindi to pipitsugin na study, guys. They have 27,000 na pasyente nilagay nila dito. And it coordinated with 10 studies worldwide. Kita nyo, dapat naka 8% ka para i-reduce niya yung risk nyo. Sa akin guys, to be honest with you, this is personal sa akin kasi I lost my dad with heart attack a couple of years ago. Several of my family members also died because of that. So nakita ko to, this is good. Kasi minsan tayo mga Pilipino, parang tanggap na natin yung namamatay sa puso. Kasama na yan No, hindi guys. Our DNA is not our destiny. May solution siya, lalo na sa preventive side. Okay? So another study na ginawa ng Mayo Clinic, longevity. This is last April 17, 2024 lang. Na nadadagdagan ng at least 5 years yung buhay mo pag maganda yung omega-3 mo. Kasi yung katawan mo guys, hindi kaya mag-produce ng omega-3. Okay? Kailangan mo kunin yan sa pagkain or supplementation. So ngayon, kung makikita nyo itong sa screen na to, yung omega-3 deficiency, pag kulang ng omega-3 yung katawan mo, ito yung nangyayari. Dry eyes, macular degeneration, tumataba ka, prematurity, cancer, heart disease, arthritis, skin disorders. Ang ganda ng skin natin guys dito sa omega kasi full spectrum, hindi lang 3. Alzheimer's. So kaya guys, sabi mo parang ang daming tinatamaan pala ng omega. Correct kasi nasa DNA mo siya. Importante siya, nasa cell mo, cellular level to eh. Another study they did in UCLA about cancer naman to sa UCLA na hospital or yung university na slow down niya yung growth ng prostate cancer. So this one is one of the big study din na ginawa nila in 2018. Kinumpira nila ngayon yung ano bang importanteng titignan natin? Omega-3 index or yung cholesterol. Kasi common yun eh. Pag nagpapa-check up ka, cholesterol yun, chinecheck ka agad. Paiinumin ka ng mga anti-cholesterol ngayon para hindi ka magka-heart attack. Di ba? Yan yung marketing ngayon eh. Pero nakita nila sa study nito guys, 2,500 na mga tao nilagay nila dito, na walang mga sakit sa puso Ang mga edad ng mga tao na to na subject nila 66 years old at sinundan nila to for 7 years. 7 taon nila pinag-aralan to, na found out nila na walang namatay doon sa mataas na cholesterol. Okay? Kaya nakita mo tong graphic dyan, flat line, walang namatay doon. Pero ang nakita nila, yung omega-3 index, pag mataas yung omega-3 index mo, yung chances mo na hindi ka magkaroon ng heart disease or kahit na anong sakit. So nakita nila mas importante yung omega-3 index. Kaya ang pinaka main goal ng ng Omega Quant na maging mainstream yung omega-3 index checking para na rin siyang cholesterol. Kasi right now sa laboratory wala nagche-check ng omega-3 index, and Omega Quant sila yung gold standard nitong home testing na pwede mong gawin sa bahay. Yun yung maganda diyan. So now, another benefit niya guys, kasi yung sakit sa puso, kaya ka nagkakaroon ng blockage yung heart mo yung mga ugat-ugat mo, kaya ka nakaka-heart problem o heart attack. So ang isang benefit ng omega-3 guys, yung APA-DHA, nagbabasodilate siya, binubuksan niya yung ugat mo, kaya maganda yung daloy ng ugat mo, kaya mapapansin mo sa mga study, hindi ka nagkaka-heart attack. Pero dito, ang isang side effect niya, sa mga lalaki, kasi ang pinakamalaking ugat sa atin, is yung down under. Kaya yung may mga issues sa erectile dysfunctions and all the stuff, ang laking tulong niya. And kahit na ginugol mo na sa National Library of Medicine, may mga research siya dyan na it helps with vasodilation. Yung omega-3 fatty acid, it helps with atherosclerosis, saka yung erectile dysfunction. Parang mayroon tayong natural Viagra effect na side effect niya, which is good. Maganda yan. Ako, nasa 50s na ako guys Wala na yan yung mga ganitong klase na normal yan sa mga teenager, kaya nagulat ako. Binibiro ko nga si Mrs. na, dapat ikaw yung mag-storya nito. And they have a lot of research. Tinawagan ko yung doktor ko, yung na-experience ko tong ganito. Sabi ko, Dok, ano ba to? Sabi niya, Chris, totoo yan kasi mayroon akong librong sinusulat ngayon. And one chapter niya is about the sexual benefits of having a good omega. Ko, wow. Then, here's one of the biggest study na nilabas nila, guys. This is back in 2021 by Mac Burney et al. At saka si Jay Clean. Yung nutrition, clinical nutrition. So, tinignan nila dito guys, kinumpara nila ngayon yung omega-3 index versus sa mga smoking, yung naninigarilyo. So ito, ang pasyente nila dito, 2,214 yung nilagay nila sa participants with the framing half of string study. So ngayon, 11 years naman to na study guys. Matagal to, 11 years nila itong ginawa. Ngayon, nakita nila, itong sa graph, kung makikita nyo yung sa graph, yung chances of you being alive, yung nabubuhay, depende sa level ng omega-3 index mo. Yung una, yung pag mataas yung omega-3 index mo at hindi ka naninigarilyo, 85% yung chances mong mabuhay. Okay? Kasi mataas yung omega-3 index mo. Nagsusupplement ka, kumakain ka ng isda. Ngayon, yung second na graph dyan makikita mo, yung 71%, ito yung mga taong mataas yung omega nila, pero naninigarilyo. Kahit na naninigarilyo na sila, pero mataas yung omega nila, yung chances nilang mabuhay is 71%. Ang ganda ng chance mo. Ngayon, yung pangatlo, mababa yung omega-3 index mo at hindi ka naninigarilyo, babagsak ka doon sa na 68%. So closer din. Basta mababa yung omega mo, hindi ka naninigarilyo, halos comparison sila. Now, ngayon, ang pinaka-worst, mababa na yung omega-3 index mo at nagyoyosi ka pa, yung chances mo is only 47%. Can you imagine that? And they proved that one in this comparative insight nila, yung summary nila dito, na nakita nila guys, na yung mababa yung omega mo, parang comparison siya sa naninigarilyo ka. And we know that smoking is bad for you. So this is a study guys. No, hindi galing sa akin to. This is according to their research nila sa McBurney et al. In 2021. And you can Google it. Makikita nyo sa internet eh. And whatnot. So that's exciting for us. Ngayon, ang pinaka-basic explanation. Chris, bakit ba ganun kaganda yung omega? Ano ba talagang trabaho ng omega sa atin? So guys, here's the basic explanation. Yung katawan natin, composed of 37.2 trillion cells in average. Yung buhok, yung balat mo, yung mata mo, lahat yan composed of cells. Yung pinaka-outer membrane, yung cell membrane ng cell mo, ito yung trabaho ng omega. He will make your outer cell membrane para siyang jello, para makapasok yung mga nutrition, makalabas yung toxins. Okay? So meaning, para healthy yung cell mo, for your cell to function, dapat meron siyang nutrients makapasok doon at makalabas yung toxin. Pag mababa yung omega mo, tumitigas yung outer cell membrane mo, doon ka na nagkakasakit kasi walang nutrition, yung toxins hindi makalabas. That's the simple explanation of that. Okay? So ngayon, the hidden opportunity, like I said, 95% ng mga American guys babagsak sa omega-3 index kasi dahil sa lifestyle natin. At kahit na yung mga umiinom ng omega at kumakain ng isda like me, 70% of us are still deficient kasi hindi enough yung tinitake natin. And the cool thing is, meron tayong blood works. As you can see on this map, yung mga naka-red map color, like United States, Brazil, Canada, mababa yan dahil sa lifestyle. Yung magaganda na omega guys, yung mga naka-green na country like Norway, Greenland, Alaska, Japan, Korea, dahil yung lifestyle nila, halos araw-araw sila kumakain ng isda. Ang drawback naman doon, mataas yung metal content kung isda ka ng isda at hindi well-screen yung kinakain mo. Pag bumili ka naman ng isda din, hindi mo naman ini-screen yan na may metal content. Kaya pinaka-safest mo is to take yung supplement na well-screen, na walang contaminants. Okay? So ngayon, ito yung maganda. Tayo lang yung full spectrum. May omega-3, 7, 9, and 11. At may vitamin D3 tayo. At we have a new product na we're coming out then, kahit na ito yung second phase namin sa omega. I will talk about a little bit about this one. Okay, so ngayon, ano ba yung simple step natin, Chris? Paano ba gagawin yan? Okay, yung una-una, itetest natin yung una natin para may baseline tayo. Ano ba yung deficiency mo? Mababa ba yung omega mo? May testing tayo. And here's the cool thing, guys. Napakamahal nito sa Amazon is $55. But sa Yoli, makukuha mo ng libre. Instead of you paying $55. And then, all you need to do, mag-commit ka lang sa step 2. You take the Vital Omega. 3 to 4 months supply. Pag binili mo to, pag nag-commit sila, maging customer sila, bumili nila 4 na buwan na supply, libre na yung second test mo. Kasama na yung second test mo para hindi ka magbabayad. So imagine guys, 2 test yung makukuha mong libre, yung una, saka pangalawa. O, saan ka pa noon? At may money back guarantee pa. So ang cost lang niya, is $160 na sa pesos na mga sa 8,000 siya. Pero in 4 months, guys, 4 months na siya na supply. Isipin mo, kung ika-calculate mo yan sa peso, mga 70 pesos per day lang siya. So, affordable masyado sa mga Pilipino. Sa Amerika, mga $1.33 lang siya, which is very affordable. Kayo guys, nandiyan kayo sa Pilipinas, magkano yung kape? Pinakamababang kape, 150 pesos. People are buying 200, 300 pesos na kape every day. Ito guys, 70 pesos lang. May money back guarantee ka pa. Okay? So, ang ganda ng proposal natin, di ba? So, ngayon, let's talk about, Chris, paano ba tayo kikita dyan? Ano yung mga referral bonus? Ito yung pinaka-basic overview ng referral bonus. Let me play this one. Okay, quick.
Once in a lifetime, someone comes out with a revolutionary, game-changing system and formula. How would you like to have the product that 90% of everyone you know needs? Better yet, a test that proves it. Our simple test, don't guess system makes it easy. Over 90% of those who test are in the danger zone and will become Vital Omega customers. Now, let's talk about how you can start earning fast. A brand partner is just like being a customer, but with perks, like discounted pricing and a lucrative compensation plan. Introducing our proven, revolutionary Test Don't Guess system. Take control of your health for just $1.33 per day. A one-time brand partner pack positions you for maximum profits. Enroll 2 brand partners with builder packs. You'll earn $800. Enroll 2 customers with Vital Omega's starter kits. You'll earn $200 in Yoli rewards. When you purchase one of our brand partner packs, you'll receive 5 to 10 free test kits. That's a total savings of up to $500. And when you test 10 people in 30 days, you'll earn an additional $250 in Yoli rewards. Our simple system allows you to earn up to $1,650 in just your first 30 days. And it doesn't stop there. Every time your customers and brand partners reorder, you continue to earn. Imagine having 20 customers each ordering 100 CV. You earn up to $30 per customer. That's an extra $600 a month, every month they reorder. Yoli provides it all, without the typical headaches of running a business. No employees, no leases, no complicated logistics. We handle the details so you can focus on sharing, enrolling, and transforming lives. You can even earn exciting cruises and resort vacations to places like Paris, Alaska, Mexico, and the Caribbean. So, are you ready to make a difference? To help people live healthier, happier lives while creating purpose, freedom, and financial security for yourself? The time is now. Take control of your health, wealth, and future, and become a Yoli brand partner today. Welcome to Yoli.
Right. So yung maganda guys dito, so ang ginagawa namin, ang pinaka-power talaga is about testing. You know, you test 10 people in 30 days, Yoli will pay you 300. Dati 250 lang to, tinaas namin na 300. As long as may dalawa lang bibili. Okay, yun lang guys. Ang maganda dito, you can get the test kit for free. You know, mamimigay ang Yoli ng 10 test kit hanggang 20 na test kit depende kung binili mo yung package namin. Para hindi ka nabibili nito kasi $50 times 10, $500 na yan. Magkano yung 500? No? Malaki, mahal na yan. So, yung 500 natin times 48 in pesos, pag kinumpute nyo yan, okay, para times 48, that's 24,000 guys. Pag binili mo yung test kit, 24,000 yung test kit natin. Pero libre makukuha mo sa Yoli. Okay? So, ngayon, this is what excites me guys. Yung second phase namin, we will introduce the Liquid Omega. Okay, the Liquid Omega is good for you. We will launch this one later on, pero umpisahan natin yan. It's a full spectrum. Tamo, ang ganda ng packaging niya. Yeah. But anyway, pag uwi ko sa Pilipinas, I'll bring this one so para matry niyo ang whatnot. But again, ito, you know, you can get it dito sa Amerika ha. Libre ito sa Amerika ngayon, introductory. Pag bumili kayo na yung builder package namin, kung mayroon kayo ma-sign up na mga tao sa US. So ngayon, let's talk about yung strategy ng mga pioneer. Right now, guys, we're only looking for leaders. Yung customer later na yun pag nag-launch na tayo. So we are still on the pre-launch and we're looking into schedule natin ng beginning of September to launch. So we have at least a month to prepare ourselves. So ngayon, ang gagawin nyo guys, mag-commit lang kayo sa dalawang package. Mamili lang kayo. Builder pack or yung Pro Builder. So all you need to do, mag-deposit lang kayo at bibigyan kayo ng 10 test kit pag bumili kayo ng builder pack. Ang builder pack, guys, may 8 na box na starter pack. Ito, 8. Makukuha nyo to pag launch natin sa September. Pero ngayon, ang ibibigay lang sa inyo yung test kit para mag-umpisa kayo ng testing kasi ilalabas pa ng FDA this month of August yung product natin and then we will launch it in beginning of September. Yun yung target natin. Now, all you need to do, magbayad kayo lang ng 15,440 kasama na yung membership and then i-waive namin yung membership. Pagdating ng September, ang babayaran mo lang na balance is 40,000 kasi yung total is 56,399. Yung builder pack, kung yun ang kukunin mo. Okay, ang kasama diyan guys, it has 800 CB or commissionable points, yung builder pack. Ngayon, the second option, yung mga seryoso na may pera, they're gonna go to the Pro Builder Pack pero mayroon kang 16 boxes. Dinoble namin yun pero discounted yung price niya. Parang dalawang builder pack with a discount of $50. Pero ngayon, may 20 test kit ka na libre pag yun ang gusto mo. The more test kit you're gonna have, the better. Libre yung 20 test kit, guys. Now, pero dito, ang price ng Pro Builders, 110,249. magdi-deposit ka lang ng 2,000 sa membership saka 26,880, parang 28,000. But again, yung full payment mo, pag launch natin sa beginning of September is 81,369 na lang yung babayaran mo after the deposit. Pero meron kang 20 test kit para mag-umpisa natin mag-testing for you to create a story. Kasi ang labanan dito guys is testing. Ito yung test-based nutrition na sabi ko. And that volume is 1,600 yan. Okay? So yun ang style natin guys. Ngayon, ang maganda dito, pwede mong ikamada yung sarili mo. What I'm showing to you right now, paano kayo makahit ng diamond, you know, just on the pre-launch. Kasi ang volume nito, i-accumulate natin yung volume. Hindi naman natin ilalagay sa system yung volume until mag-launch tayo sa September. So you have enough time na ma-stock mo yung mga tao mo, ma-organize mo yung structure mo, tsaka yung volume. Pagpasok natin, pag-pull natin ng trigger sa September, madali ka mag-hit ng diamond position. Kasi ang kailangan mo lang sa diamond, guys, may 4 ka na direct at may 10,000 ka na volume sa left team mo saka sa right team mo. Kung bibili kayo ng builder pack at yun ang pinromote mo sa mga tao mo, may hit mo yan immediately. Ang simple lang, ang tinuturo ko, mag-sponsor ka ng 4 to 6 na tao direct mo at turuan mo lang yung mga tao mo kumuha din ng 6. Kung ma-structure mo to this month of August before we launch, you have at least a month to do it, then you're gonna hit diamond. Kasi sabay-sabay natin ipapasok yung volume pag pull natin ng trigger. Kaya lang, magdi-deposit tayo. Here's the projected income mo pag sinunod mo yan. Kung may 6 ka na direct na bibili ng builder pack, ang volume nyo guys is 4,800. Kasi isang builder pack is 800, yung 8 boxes. Ngayon, ang unang kikitain mo dyan, yung first order bonus na 50%. So ngayon, kung meron kang volume na 4,800 sa 6 na tao na bumili, ano bang kalahati niyan? Is $2,400, right? Yung first order bonus mo or sa equivalent sa peso is 115,200. And then meron kapag enroll to bonus rewards, and then yung rank advancement mo kasi magra-rank ka ng gold that time. And then the company will pay you 28,800. So in short, kikita ka ng 153,600. During our launch date natin. May konting sakripisyo tayo for you to build your team. Pero imagine guys, 153,600. Okay? Ang kikitain mo in the next natin pag pinul natin yung trigger dito. Okay? Hindi pa kasama dito yung yung test 10 people. Kung nakatest ka pa ng 10 people, that's another $300 guys. $300 times 48 is additional 14,400 pag nakatest ka pa ng 10. Ngayon, yung second option mo, si Chris, meron ako mga kilala dito na willing mag-invest ng pro builder. Of course, mas double yung kikitain mo, mas malaki yung volume mo. Kasi 1,600 yung isang pro builder. Yung kita mo dito guys, pag sinunod mo yung 6 din, turuan mo yung 6, you're gonna make 268,800. Ganun lang ka-simple. So ngayon, here's, imagine you guys. Ito yung pinakamabenta natin ngayon paglabas natin. 4 na buwan na supply na to. At libre na yung test kit. Okay? Yung second test kit mo free. 4 bottles. Very affordable to guys kasi mga 70 pesos per day lang to lalabas. Na mga 8,000. Ang volume nitong product na to is 100. Pag nakabenta ka nito, bumili sa'yo, customer man, meron kang 2,400 pesos. Ang commission mo una. Imagine, customer mo, 2,400 pag bumili na to isang tao. Kung makasampu ka lang, 24,000 na yung kita mo. Sa customer pa lang yun. And you can sponsor as many as you can. Okay? So, ganun lang yung basic niya. And then, we're gonna grow this business if you're willing. So, ngayon guys, ang hinahanap namin muna yung mga leader na gustong tumulong sa amin mag-build. The customers and all the stuff. Meron tayong mga lower package na pwede silang bumili. Pero later na yun pag nag-launch tayo. For now, we're only focusing on leaders na willing mag-invest para meron tayong mga test kit na libre. Yeah? Kaya bibigyan tayo ng company na 10 test kit na free hanggang 20 na test kit for free pag pinili mo yung business package natin. Alright, so let me just stop sharing my screen and thank you so much for your time guys and I will answer some of your questions. Okay?